What's up, everybody? We're back here at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg for the last day of the season of 2019, just to check in on Pantheon and see if anything else has been done since the last time I was here with construction. So there's three major things that I noticed that were new since the last time I was there, which was this footbridge that seems to be being built. Obviously, the ride station here is looking pretty completed. One thing I did notice is the structure to hold the inversion is in place, not quite having track, but that's all right. It's only my favorite part of the ride probably when it is built, but look what we have here. We have an outer bank track that has been successfully installed. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you know when I'm uploading new content.